The Nawab was terrified at the thought of the man leaving. Why was he terrified? Terrified means feeling extreme fear because the Nawab was not brave. So he thought the only man that is there in the forest with him is Lallu. If Lallu also leave, then he'll be all alone in the forest. So he was extremely terrified. He said, if I succeed in this venture, venture means difficult activity, I will give the prize money to you. He has revealed that the Mukhya has kept the fabulous prize of 10,000 rupees. And if he get succeeded in this activity, he will give the prize money to Bhutnath. He'll give the prize money to Lallu. To be honest, all the gold of my Begum is still safe in the house. Now he is saying all the gold of my Begum is still safe in my house. He has again committed a blunder. He has revealed that Bhutnath has not robbed his house and all the gold of his wife is in their house only. Hearing the Nawab, a plan formed in the crafty bandit's mind. Crafty means clever. After hearing Nawab, the bandit, he has made a clever plan in his mind. Bhutnath decided to steal the Begum's jewelry. He has made the plan that he is going to steal the Nawab's house tonight. He said, I don't think Bhutnath will dare come here tonight because the Braveheart is personally here. Let's go home and sleep in peace. Now what that Bhutnath, or we can say what Lallu is saying, he's motivating Nawab to go to his house and sleep. He's saying, you, the Braveheart, you are here in the forest yourself. So that Bhutnath, he must be scared and he must have left. There's no point in staying in the forest. Let us go home and let us sleep. So what we have studied in this page is that Begum correctly guessed that his husband, he was in fear. And she has named this as Operation Blackbeard. Okay. What happened? Nawab was not at all motivated to go to the forest. He has made a plan that he is going to hide himself under the bed. But at that particular time, Sher Singh with other villagers, they have arrived there. And he has to go to the forest. So finally, he is in the forest. Nawab was that so much scared that he has climbed up a tree. And by default, that Bhutnath, he has also selected the same tree to take some rest. So they both were on the same tree and they were discussing over. Bhutnath has made his false identity. He has said, I am Lallu, I am Sweet Seller and I am also here to catch Bhutnath. By mistaken, Nawab has informed him that he has kept all his wife's jewelry at his home, and meanwhile that Bhutnath, he has made a plan that he is going to steal that jewelry from Nawab's house tonight.